welcome back to my channel. So some of you might remember that last year I did an autumn fashion faves video, and I had so much fun putting those outfits together that I decided I wanted to make a summer fashion faves. And to be honest, summer is my least favorite season of the year. Like, I hate being hot. I don't even like wearing shorts and tank tops. That's not my style. I so much rather would wear sweaters and leggings and hoodies and like all of that nice cozy stuff. But I still had fun putting this video together. So before we get into the video, I wanted to have some real talk for a quick minute, and if you're not interested in listening to this, that's okay. I will put a timestamp somewhere up here on the screen that you can fast forward to. But I just wanted to be honest and just tell you guys that I had a really bad flare-up with fatigue these past 2 weeks, and I've been really discouraged and disheartened over the fact that sometimes I have such big gaps of time go by where I'm not able to post videos on this channel, because I absolutely love posting videos on this channel. It makes me so happy, and if I had the energy I would post like 2 videos a week probably. But I'm not saying this to have you guys like feel bad for me or anything. I'm saying it to encourage other people out there who might be dealing with health things that you feel like are affecting your work maybe, or your goals that you have for the day, because it's kind of frustrating when you have all these things that you would like to get done in your day, and you wake up and you have all you can do just to get changed out of your PJs into regular clothes and then you take a nap, and that's pretty much your day. And like, all of my days aren't like that. It's just the days that I have really bad fatigue. But it is frustrating when I have things I would like to get done and then I feel like it's just all delayed. But anyways, I don't want to start like venting, but I just thought I would tell you guys that, and thank you for continuing to support my channel, even though there are these spans of time sometimes where I don't upload as often, but that's most likely why. So I just thought I would share that. We're going to go ahead and get started with the video now, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this. This first outfit is something I put together to celebrate Independence Day on July 4th, so it focuses around red, white, and blue. This shirt is an off-the-shoulder style made of a lightweight, flowy material that's breathable and not too hot for summer. I really love the style of it, and this shade of blue is one of my favorite colors to wear. For shorts, I have these simple white cotton shorts, and for a cat ear headband I chose this Patriotic star one with lots of glitter, and it's just so fun to wear with this outfit. Another shirt that I really like this summer is this maroon and white striped t-shirt with cherries on it. I just think the cherries are simple yet cute, and I also like the striped detail around the neck. I just used a rubber band to make a tie in the front, but sometimes I wear it as a normal t-shirt too. For this outfit, how many of you guys tend to think of yellow as a summer color? Because I totally do. This one I swiped from Goodwill's clothing rack a while back, and although it's long sleeve, it's again a lightweight and breathable material. My favorite thing about it though is the tie string in the front. I really love shirts with tie strings. I just think they're so fun. For pants, I'm wearing these simple white pants, and for a headpiece, I have this sunflower hair crown from Five Below. This next outfit is a simple flowy shirt paired with denim shorts, and this shirt was from JCPenney, and I had a coupon, so it was pretty much a free shirt when I checked out with it, which is awesome. It has some pretty detailing on the top neck part and down the sides. I paired it with this tassel necklace, which added a nice pop of color against the white shirt. And I'm also wearing these tassel earrings, which were from Justice, and they happen to match this necklace quite well. For this last outfit, I am wearing these white pants again because white is a really summery thing to wear, and I popped on this matching hat. For a top, I have this pretty aqua colored one with flowers. The flowers have beads and sequins, and the sleeves have a pretty crochet design. I also have 2 bathing suits to show, and the first one is this white one with colorful floral flowers on it. It's really difficult, you guys, to find modest one-piece swimsuits nowadays. So this was from Walmart, and I was really happy they had some cute modest styles that didn't look like granny swimsuits. So the back just has a straight high back, which I like. I don't care for the low scooped backs, which is what most swimsuits nowadays have. The second one is black with this Aztec design, and I really like the style and the color combination together. I think it looks very nice. For the back, it just has this strappy design. I'm sorry, I'm not quite sure what to call it, but it's just really, really cute. So that is it for today's video, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the different outfits, and let me know which season is your favorite and what types of clothes are your favorite, because I know that it seems like everybody I talk to all loves summer, and I'm the type of person who loves fall and winter, so it's fun like seeing everybody's different likes and stuff. So thanks for supporting my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!